TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 280, Nasdaq's off 91, S&Ps are down 35, gold contracts up $34 at 11.92. Gold is taking out its October swing highs, folks, with volume. You get the wide price spread, accelerated volume, all of the above. Silver's climbing. It's up 56 cents right now, $15.35. That is going to be making the run over to that $16 area. Copper is flat at 209. You get light sweet crude down 76 cents at 30.15 a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year up 20 ticks, 131. The 30-year up 1 full point and 22 ticks. 30-year is way over its highs. 10-year is testing the high from February 3rd. King Dollar is up 91 ticks at 97.14. Now, the wild thing here is that King Dollar is up slightly as gold is taking out all its swing highs. The equities, the gold equities, silver equities are taking the swing highs out with wide price spread, accelerated volume, all of the above. We go over to the S&P. We take a look at the S&P. This is what you have. SPY right now is down 320. You're at 184.75. The SPY is coming into the January 20th. Downdraft out here. It's going to be tough to break this downdraft. The reason being is that the bottom of that downdraft's 181. You're at 184. On Friday, we came down hard, but yet we came down to 180 million, which is going into 280. Bottom line is that this little baby's going to more than likely hammer out a bottom coming into this area. Why? Because it came back too fast. That's the bottom line. Now, that's in the S&Ps. We go to the NDX 100. You got a different animal happening here. NDX 100, what you have, that little baby jumped the creek. And the creek we're talking about was the January 20th swing low. That swing low is 97.25. You're at 96.39. On Friday, we did come down with 70 million shares versus that 86. So we'll see whether the Qs can crawl their way back inside the 97.25. That's what it would take in order to get into higher price. Bonds, we go to the 10-year note first. What you have with the 10-year note is this. 10-year note is trading out at a price point of 131, and the 131 has taken it over the February 3rd. That was the last high up here. Volume's a little light, but if it hangs over the 130.24, you can get higher. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Bottom line, folks, gold is taking apart this market in a big way. We've done 130,000 contracts. You're at 11.94 right now, and gold has been, bottom line, January 14th, gold's at 10.71. You're at 11.93 right now. When you take a look at this contract, what you have here is this. You've broken the downtrend, and we broke that downtrend in a dramatic way last week. And the downtrend that I'm talking about, this is a long-term downtrend that we had broken, folks. Gold right now can make the run to 13.92. And right now, we're at 11.93. And it's not going to be real hard to do that, by the way. What that does is that puts it into the 14.28 area. And we'll see what kind of strength it has up at that particular point. Because what you do have is that the velocity of the way that the gold had come down from 2012 into the 2013, 2014 level, it can go up just as quick once you get into that level. And that's kind of where this market is going right at this particular point. Silver finally got caught a bit under it last week. What you have with the silver market, also, you're up 61 cents, big move. Silver's on the move up to this 16.25. And, bottom line is that hard assets, folks, what's happening in this market right now. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking out right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.